Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your room door lock. First, gather your essential tools: a new lock set, a screwdriver, and a measuring tape. It's crucial to ensure your new lock's backset measurement aligns with your door's existing preparation. Also, confirm the new lock is suitable for your door's thickness, which is usually between 1 3/8 and 1 3/4 inches. This preparation ensures a smooth installation process. Now, let's remove the old lock. Begin by using a screwdriver to loosen and remove the 2 screws found on the interior side of your doorknob. Once these are out, gently pull apart and remove both halves of the doorknob. Next, unscrew the latch plate located on the door's edge and carefully extract the entire old latch mechanism from the bore hole. This clears the way for your new hardware. With the old lock removed, it's time to install the new latch. Carefully insert the new latch mechanism into the door's bore hole, making sure it's oriented correctly. Then, secure the new latch plate to the door's edge using the screws provided with your new lock set. Before proceeding, test the latch bolt to ensure it extends and retracts smoothly. Confirm the latch's backset aligns perfectly with your new lock set. Finally, let's install the new lock set. Slide the exterior half of the lock through the door, carefully aligning it with the new latch mechanism. Next, attach the interior half, ensuring the spindle properly engages the latch. Secure both halves tightly using the provided screws from the interior side. Once installed, thoroughly test the lock with your key and the interior thumb turn to confirm everything functions perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.